Hello student, now today we'll see derivative of a parametric function. If your x is equal to f of t function and y is equal to g of t function are differentiable functions of a parameter t. These two are obviously differentiable functions of a parameter t, right? Then y is a differential function of x. Then y is a differential function of x and dy upon dx is equal to always dy upon dt divided by dx upon dt, where dx upon dt is always not equal to 0. Understood? If x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t are differentiable functions of a obviously parameter t, and then y is a differential function of x and dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dt divided by dx upon dt, where dx upon dt is not equal to 0. Okay, now we'll see how to solve this type of functions, how to differentiate this type of functions. In last lecture we have learnt about obviously logarithmic functions, after that implicit function differentiation, right? Now today differentiation of parametric functions. So in parametric functions, see here, suppose question number 1 we have to find dy upon dx, where parametric function here, see first question is given by x is equal to 80 square, x is equal to 80 square, ये टाइप के फंक्शन होंगे. सी x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t, दो फंक्शन होंगे डिफरेंशियल फंक्शन ऑफ पैरामीटर t here given. So x is equal to here 80 square and y is given by 2at. Okay, we have to find out dy upon dx of this function. Okay, now see, first we'll see for this x is equal to 80 square. Differentiate these functions with respect to t. ये दोनों भी फंक्शन को विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t डिफरेंशिएट करना है. ओके, सी गिवन x is equal to 80 square. Suppose we differentiating with respect to t, right? So we got right dx upon dt is equal to obviously a constant and derivative of t square is 2t, means what? 2at, right? Next, y is equal to 2at. Here also differentiate with respect to t. So obviously dy upon dt is equal to here 2a constant and t का डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा? 1. So यहाँ पे 2a, right? Then therefore we have to find out what? Dy upon dx, right? Now by using this is equal to dy upon dt divided by dx upon dt. See, dy upon dt value of this is 2a and value of dx upon dt is 2at. These two get cancelled, which is equal to 1 by. So dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon t. Okay, now we'll see more examples. This is one easiest example. Now see next, suppose second one example is given by x is equal to e raised to 3t and y is equal to e raised to 4t plus 5. This x is equal to e raised to 3t and y is equal to 4t plus 5. So after this, obviously x is equal to e raised to 3t. Differentiate these functions with respect to t. Okay, so obviously dx upon dt is equal to e raised पावर 3t e raised to x का डेरिवेटिव क्या आता है? e raised to x. बट यहाँ पे t के जगह पे क्या है? 3t. सो अगेन डिफरेंशिएट 3t. So obviously e raised to 3t and 3 is constant, t का derivative 1. So here only 3, so 3 into e raised to 3t, that is derivative of x with respect to t. Now our y is what? E raised to 4t plus 5. Okay, so obviously when we differentiating this with respect to t, we got here dy upon dt is equal to derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x as it is. So e raised to 4t plus 5. बट यहाँ पे t के जगह पे क्या है? 4t plus 5. So derivative of 4t plus 5. Now e raised to 4t plus 5 as it is. Now 4 is constant here. t का डेरिवेटिव 1 प्लस 5 का डेरिवेटिव 5 is a constant, so derivative is 0. Now this is equal to e raised to 4t plus 5 and here 4 plus 0, so 4. This is dy upon d. Okay, therefore our dy upon dx is equal to what? By using parametric function dy upon dt divided by dx upon dt is equal to dy upon dt, this 4 e raised to 4t plus 5 divided by dx upon dt, this 3 e raised to 3. Okay, now we'll see one more example. Yeah, now see next question. Question number 3 is x is equal to u plus 1 upon u the whole square and y is 2 to the power u plus 1 upon u. This is differentiable functions of a parameter u, right? So obviously in the same way x is equal to given by u plus 1 upon u the whole square. This differentiable function of a parameter u. So we'll differentiate this function with respect to obviously u. Differentiate with respect to u here. So here dx upon du is equal to, now x raised to n type of function, x raised to n type of function. So x raised to n का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? nx raised to n minus 1 obviously. So x square का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? 2u plus 1 upon u. एंड जहाँ पे u होना चाहिए था वहां पे ये पूरा ब्रैकेट है. अगेन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u plus 1 upon u. Okay, 2 times u plus 1 upon u. Now here u का डेरिवेटिव obviously 1 and 1 upon u का डेरिवेटिव minus 1 upon u square, minus 1 upon u square, क्योंकि 1 upon x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? minus 1 upon x square. Okay, now after this 2 u plus 1 upon u, यहाँ पे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन करके भी लिख सकते हो, अदरवाइज कीप एज इट इज. This is value of dx upon du. Next, now here we'll solve first y. Or y is equal to 2 to the power u plus 1 upon u. Now differentiate with respect to u. So obviously this is a to the power x type of function. So a raised to x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? a raised to x log a. ओके, यहाँ पे a की जगह पे क्या है? 2 और x की जगह पे u plus 1 upon u. ओके, so a raised to x log a means log 2. Now after this x की जगह पे क्या है? u plus 1 upon u. This is one composite functions. So again derivative of u plus 1 upon u. Okay, means what? 2 to the power u plus 1 upon u log 2. Derivative of u is 1 and derivative 1 upon u is minus 1 upon u square. This is derivative of dy upon du. but we want here obviously d dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dt divide by dx upon dt. Now value of dy upon, sorry, here u function with parameter u. So dy upon du divided by dx upon du. So du means this, dy upon du means this 2 raised to u plus 1 upon u log 2 1 minus 1 upon u square. The whole divided by 2 u plus 1 upon u, this 1 minus 1 upon u square. Okay, obviously these two get cancelled, right? To These two get cancelled. So obviously remaining 2 power u plus 1 upon u log 2 divided by 2 into u plus 1 upon u. Okay, this is your dy upon dx of given function. Understood how to solve this type of functions, parametric functions. Now we'll see one more example. Suppose next question number 4 is given by x is equal to, suppose with parameter u 1 plus u square and y is equal to log of 1 plus u square, log of 1 plus u square. Then we'll start with your, suppose x in square root 1 plus u square, right? Obviously function with parameter u, so we differentiate this function with respect to u. So dx upon du is equal to, obviously root x type of function, so 1 upon 2 root x, 2 root, बट यहाँ पे u की जगह पे 1 प्लस यू स्क्वेयर है, तो दिस इज वन कंपोजिट फंक्शन. So 1 plus u square again we differentiating. Okay, so here 1 upon 2 in square root 1 plus u square. 1 का डेरिवेटिव 0 plus 2u, sorry, here with respect to u 2 into u, right? So basically 2u divide by 2 square root 1 plus u square. 2 get cancelled, here u is square root 1 plus u square dx upon du. Now see here y function given by log of 1 plus u square. We differentiating this function with respect to u. So dy upon du is equal to, obviously log x का डेरिवेटिव क्या आता है 1 upon x, so 1 upon 1 plus u square, right? लेकिन again derivative of 1 plus u square, so 1 upon 1 plus u square, derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of u square is 2u, so 2u divided by 1 plus u square dy upon du. Okay, but here we want write only value of dx dy upon dx, right? So next, therefore dy upon dx is equal to dy upon du divided by dx upon du is equal to dy upon du is obviously 2u divided by 1 plus u square, and dx upon du the whole divided by dx upon du is u upon in square root 1 plus u square. So obviously this means what? 2u upon 1 plus u square into square root 1 plus u square divided by u, right? So this u get cancelled, and here obviously square root 1 plus u square, and here 1 plus u square. So obviously this is equal to 2 in square root only 1 plus u square. Okay, one cancellation is here. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So we got dy upon dx is equal to this. Now we'll see next question. Fifth question. Fifth question, suppose here one different question. Differentiate phi raised to x with respect to log to the base 5x. Differentiate phi raised to x with respect to log x to the base 5. Now, here दो फंक्शन मानने हमें. सपोज u इज इक्वल टू, नाउ यहाँ पे x पैरामीटर x है यहाँ पे, ठीक है. सो हम लोग x इज इक्वल टू वाई इज इक्वल टू ऐसा दो फंक्शन नहीं मान सकते, ठीक है, एज्यूम नहीं कर सकते. सो विल एज्यूम सपोज u इज इक्वल टू दैट इज फाइव रेज टू x. Now differentiate this function with respect to x because your parameter is x. So differentiate with respect to x. We got here 5 raised to x. So 5 raised to x log 5, right? Derivative of 5 raised to x. Okay. Now, well, assume v is equal to, suppose, log to the base 5x. This. Obviously, this means what? By using laws of logarithms, this means log x divided by log 5, right? Log x divided by log 5. Now we differentiate this v with respect to x. So dv upon dx is equal to 1 upon log 5 is constant and log x का derivative 1 upon x. Right? So our derivative is 1 upon x log 5. Okay? This is du upon dx, this is dv upon dx. Now therefore du upon dv यही फाइंड आउट करेंगे, क्योंकि क्या करना है हमें, 5 raised to x means this, 5 raised to x means u को डिफरेंशिएट करना है विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू v. सो क्या आएगा, du अपॉन डी वी फाइंड आउट करना है हमें. क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, du अपॉन डी वी. वाई, क्यों डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं किसको, 5 raised to x को, मतलब u को विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू व्हाट, log x टू द बेस 5 मीन्स v से. सो du अपॉन dv is equal to obviously du upon dx divided by dv upon dx. So this is equal to dv upon dx means 5 raised to x log 5 divided by 1 upon x log 5. Obviously inverse हो जाएगा. So this is equal to 5 raised to x into this x और log 5 का क्या हो जाएगा, स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. This is different answer of differentiating when we differentiating 5 raised to x with respect to log x to the base 5. So next question, if x is equal to a in bracket 1 minus 1 upon t and y is equal to a in bracket 1 plus 1 upon t bracket complete, then we have to show that dy upon dx is equal to minus 1. Okay, so these x and y are differentiable functions of parameter t. So here x is equal to a 1 minus 1 upon t. We have to differentiate with respect to obviously t. So dx upon dt is equal to, obviously a is constant here and derivative of 1 minus 1 upon t. So here a constant, 1 का derivative 0, right? And 1 upon t का derivative minus 1 upon t square. लेकिन ऑलरेडी एक माइनस है तो क्या हो जाएगा, प्लस हो जाएगा. सो 1 अपॉन टी स्क्वेयर. क्योंकि 1/x का डेरिवेटिव होता है -1/x². So ये means what? 0 plus 1/t is 1/t². So a/t². Now here y is equal to a 1 plus 1/t. So when we differentiating this with respect to t, your a is constant and derivative of 1 plus 1/t. So a 1 का डेरिवेटिव 0 एंड 1/t का डेरिवेटिव -1/t². So minus a/t² dy upon dt. But we want here value of dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dt divided by dx upon dt. So this is equal to this minus a divided by t² for this, and inverse of this is a upon t² डिवाइड बाय t². इसका इन्वर्स हो जाएगा. ठीक है, डिनोमिनेटर में तो ए गेट कैंसल, t² गेट कैंसल. वी गॉट हियर ओनली -1. सो यही शो करना था हमें. dy अपॉन dx इज इक्वल टू माइनस. Understood this? Easy one. Now we'll see next example. Now we'll see next question. Question number 7. Suppose given by if x is equal to 4t divided by 1 plus t square and y is equal to 3, 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. Then we have to show that dy upon dx is equal to minus 9x divided by 4y. Yeah, here x and y are two differentiable function of parameter t. So suppose we start with x. Here 40 divided by 1 plus t square. When we differentiating this with respect to t, dx upon dt is equal to, here 4 is constant and derivative of t upon 1 plus t square. This is u upon v type of function, right? So obviously this dx upon dt is equal to 4 constant in bracket. Obviously u upon v, so v as it is, derivative of t is 1, right? Minus t as it is, derivative of 1 plus t square. लेकिन 1 का डेरिवेटिव 0 एंड t स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव 2t डिवाइड बाय v का स्क्वायर मीन्स 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर माइनस दिस t इंटू 2t, सो 2t स्क्वायर एंड 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर. 4 यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा ब्रैकेट में 1 -1 -2 +1, so -1, so t 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square का square. This is dx upon dt. Now we'll solve for y. Y is equal to 3, 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. This is also y u upon v type of function. dy upon d is equal to 3 constant. Now here also first u as v as it is, this means 1 plus t square as it is. 1 minus t square का डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा 0 minus 2t, राइट. माइनस यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे अभी 1 minus t square as it is, और डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 plus t square is what 1 plus 2 0 plus 2t means what only 2t, the whole divided by 1 plus t square का square. Okay, now this is equal to 3. Here 1 plus t square into minus 2t minus here 1 minus t square into 2. Now see, after this here 2t is same, right? So कॉमन निकाल सकते हो, मीन्स यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा 6t, यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा फिर इन ब्रैकेट 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर, और ये माइनस, सो माइनस माइनस ये भी माइनस हो जाएगा, राइट? आफ्टर दिस माइनस 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर। अंडरस्टूड दिस स्टेप? मैंने 2t कॉमन निकाला, सो 2t जब मैं कॉमन निकाल रही हूँ, लेकिन ये माइनस बच रहा है यहाँ पे, सो ये माइनस यहाँ पे अंदर मल्टीप्लाई होगा, सो -1 माइनस टी स्क्वायर, -1 और माइनस माइनस प्लस, प्लस टी स्क्वायर माइनस टी स्क्वायर गेट कैंसल, सो क्या बचेगा -2, सो -2 इंटू 60 इंटू -2 डिवाइड बाय 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर, मीन्स व्हाट -12t 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर. Now we want here only value of dy upon dx is equal to, now dy upon dx, so dy upon dt divide by dx upon d, dy upon dt means this -12t divide by 1 plus t square का square into dy upon dt dx upon dt means this, तो इसका इन्वर्स लिखोगे आप, सो 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाय 4 1 minus t square. Now see properly, after this we have to show that here dy upon dx is equal to minus 9x divided by 4y. Okay, minus 9x divided by 4y. Okay, now look here, minus 12t is there, right? -12t डिवाइड बाय 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर है. Okay, so 1 plus t square the whole square, these two are same, so get cancelled. Okay, so and 4 3s are 12, so minus 3t remaining here 1 minus t square. See, this is your equation number 1. We have to show that dy upon dx is equal to what? Minus 9x divided by 4y. Okay. Now we'll see, we'll take minus 9x divided by 4y. Solve for this. Here minus 9 into upon 4 into what? X. X means what? Given function. This is this 40 upon 1 plus t square. 40 upon 1 plus t square. The divide by 5. Y is what? This function 3. 1 minus t square, 1 plus t square. Okay. Now after solving this, we got obviously this 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square cancel हो जाएगा, right? Then 4 4 also get cancelled. 3 3s are 9. So here minus 3 only t remaining here, and here 1 minus t square. Same as equation number 1. These two are same, means these two are equal. Means what? Therefore dy upon dx is equal to minus 9x upon 4y. Hence we have proved that.